We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, we have to share it. Here's what one of them had to say. When our customers send us glowing reviews like this one, it helps us know that we are fulfilling our commitment to give every customer a first-class experience. We just love getting great feedback like this. It is our mandate to satisfy everybody who works with us. We see this as a total win-win situation. We love our repeat customers, but we also love our new customers, and we would like that to be you. Give us a chance to show you what we can do. It's great you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.